This week's election number: 169. Of the 338 ridings, the Globe's election forecast suggests that exactly half of them are competitive races at the moment. Some ridings, like Stephen Harper's newly created Calgary Heritage, are reasonably safe bets in October. However, other ridings, like many in the province of Quebec, are difficult to be confident about at this point. A strong campaign by one of the parties could put even more seats in play, but with 11 weeks remaining and half of the seats competitive, this election remains too close to call.